Explore a cozy Mediterranean home, eco-friendly garden, and lush tropical backyard inspirations. Embark on a mesmerizing tour of a small yet charming Mediterranean home where eco-friendly living meets tropical allure. Nestled within a tranquil setting, this cozy abode invites you to immerse yourself in the harmonious blend of Mediterranean architecture and sustainable garden design, creating an oasis that rejuvenates the mind and soul. The journey begins with an exploration of the exterior, where rustic Mediterranean decor melds seamlessly with compact yet thoughtful design elements. The home itself is a testament to the beauty of simplicity, capturing the essence of Mediterranean living while making the most of every inch of space. As you wander through the entrance, the effortless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces becomes apparent, whispering promises of relaxation and connection to nature. Step into the lush backyard, a masterpiece of outdoor living that showcases both creativity and sustainability. Here, the tropical backyard serves as a canvas for green living, filled with vibrant plants and ingenious backyard oasis ideas suited for any climate. With an emphasis on maximizing a nature-inspired environment, the backyard thrives with an array of tropical flora, turning it into a verdant paradise. Incorporating elements of rustic charm, the backyard seamlessly merges style with sustainability. Features such as drip irrigation and rainwater collection ensure efficient water use, while recycled materials and locally sourced stone pads contribute to the eco-friendly ethos. Whether you're lounging under the dappled sunlight or dining al fresco, this Mediterranean outdoor space offers a perfect balance of elegance and earthiness, making it an ideal retreat for relaxation and rejuvenation. As you stroll through this garden, you'll discover a treasure trove of backyard landscaping tips centered on the philosophy of a self-sufficient home. Terracotta pots brimming with aromatic herbs and vertical gardens create a sensory experience, while climate-friendly garden techniques, such as xeriscaping, highlight water-wise gardening practices. The Mediterranean patio layout, featuring cozy seating, nooks and a hint of warmth from earthen hues, invites you to enjoy the serenity of nature. For those seeking inspiration in garden design, this tour offers a plethora of ideas, from low-maintenance backyard solutions to urban oasis designs. Envision a backyard transformation that incorporates a serene garden pergola draped in cascading vines, providing shade and an intimate space to unwind. Inside the home, the integration of energy-efficient systems aligns with the sustainable exterior, showcasing how modern Mediterranean design can embrace innovation without compromising charm. Large windows frame views of the sun-soaked patio, allowing natural light to flood the interior, enriching the warm, earthy tones that characterize the home. As your visit concludes, you'll carry away a wealth of ideas from DIY sustainable gardens to beautiful backyard escapes, all culminating in a vision of a cozy Mediterranean home that stands as a beacon of sustainable and stylish living. The Lush outdoor decor, intertwined with practical, earth-friendly solutions, inspires all who envision a future where beauty and sustainability coexist harmoniously.